Hey guys, welcome to Outdoorman. Today I'm going to be washing this beautiful Yardman Beetle. Came across this the other day, kind of a trade sell sort of a deal with another lawnmower. Never actually had one of these. It's pretty fantastic. It's a nice looking unit. I'll give you a little look here. The Yardman. Guy only had it running by jumping it off his car. I charged the battery overnight and it seems to be working just fine. This is the mower belt. It was on backwards, so it's pretty shredded. It feels like. I don't know if you can see that. Got a little bit of debris in here. He did have it running. He said he was shredding through belts like crazy. There's 2 dry belts on this, I believe. This, which I've already bought to replace. This mower belt, I didn't have the dimensions on. Oh, right there. I didn't have this off at the time. Looks like I'm going to order one of those if it's correct. I think it's actually supposed to be 52, but we'll find out. This is a 8.5 horse Briggs & Stratton engine. So you can see, not an actual rat's nest, but a rat's nest of wires and all kinds of stuff in there. Some debris here. A little oil. It's not too bad. The only thing I've done with this is change the oil. I got it running, heated it up, changed the oil on it. We're going to do a full service on this on another video. Today I'm just going to clean this up, get it ready for service. As you can see, I don't want all this stuff inside the shop. It's a nice little unit. The Beetle. From whatever that is. As you can see, it's had some paint in the past. It's super light. Super light. So I'll set you up here. So to start the cleaning process today, I'm going to be using the Still Combi. Blow out all the dry stuff. And then we'll use some of this Super Clean to get all of the oil and all the other stuff off. So, mind your ears. First hole. Buddy. All right, so now that we got that done, still got to pull a hose out. First, we're going to give it a soak with my favorite spritz. Before I do that, that's just after a little blowy. This bolt wasn't even in. There's no nut on the bottom. Zapped up, zapped in. I love this little custom battery tray that they got that doesn't even fit the battery. Yeah, that battery don't fit. That's the original one, so I don't know what they were thinking. But as you can see, it's not too bad. So you can spray this down, drag the hose out, and spray it off. All right. Yeah, buddy. Let's go drag the hose out, rinse it off. All right, we got our hose. That leaks. It's been soaking for a couple minutes. So we got our leaky hose that likes to sing. It's been soaking for just a couple minutes. I have not touched it. Let's give it a spray. I have missed the back, which is quite dirty. Well, there she is. Nice little beetle. I guess you probably have a look here. I was going to turn it around for you. So as you can see, it's a lot better than it was. Still missed a few spots there, but it's at least workable now. And that's without laying a hand on it. Spray it on, spray it off. Gotta rinse that again. But I'll rinse it one more time and then I'll do it by hand. Not bad though, right? Looks pretty good for not laying a finger on it. So next stop, hand wash. So I gotta get some hand wash and stuff set up. We'll get back here. All right, this is after just spraying it and hosing it, sitting in the sun for a little bit. It's looking much better than it was. I still haven't laid a finger on it. So I'm gonna set you up now. And I'm gonna give this thing a little scrub with some soapy water. So there's extra room in here right now because the belt's off and there's supposed to be some sort of grass catcher apparatus that goes in here, but it didn't come with it. It's set up just for mulching, which is cool. So there's actually lots of room just to wipe all this stuff down. But I will be taking the deck off for a servicing video. If you'd like to see how the deck comes off or how one of these gets serviced, like and subscribe so you don't miss it. You don't see these things too often. I mean, they're coming up about 30 years old now. So for a 30-year-old unit, I'd say this is in pretty decent shape. It's got a little Mickey Mouse stuff around here. Let's see for this battery. I don't even know what this is. This looks like it's tile. I don't even know what they've done. I might end up cutting that out. We'll see. Check out the other video. You can see too. Because this isn't going to work. A little bit of elbow grease goes a long way. People don't realize that. You don't get much done if you don't get your hands dirty. Just use a little parts cleaner, spray it on there, and gets rid of this grease. This is some old, thick, old bearing grease. This will probably be coming off when I do a service on this machine. Put some new grease on there, but for now, it keeps the mess minimized. Let's give it a little love. And there's our beetle. There's our clean little beetle. Not bad, eh? Not bad at all. Remember what it looked like down there? Didn't look like that. Look at that. Turned out pretty good. We got 3 out of 4 hubcaps, which is all right. That was that some white staining. It may come off if I scrub it some more. All this, not sure what it is. I think it'll come off. I just got to give it a little more love. So we're going to drop this deck. Another video, this is going to get fully serviced. Not sure if I mentioned that already, so please like and subscribe so you don't miss it when it comes out. Because as of right now, push the brake down, pull that, make sure that's in. She gonna go for us? Should. It's just a little wet, that's all. And that was low idle. She just stalled. There we have it. A little beetle. All clean. Well, there's a scrub up of one dirty beetle. Looks pretty good now. Couple character marks. She's good to go. So there'll be another video coming out shortly servicing this thing. All I've done is change the oil, not a spark plug, not a nothing. It's old gas and everything. But it runs, so that's better than what I'm used to. So if you like stuff like this, please subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Always got something going on. Projects everywhere. Here's our interesting beetle. Hope you enjoyed. Have a great day.